Greetings, everyone. Welcome to the Copilot Studio Advent Calendar. Today, I'm going to deal the topic with the design your Copilot Studio production environment strategy. So, for customers building and deploying agents at a scale, they need a guidance on the best practices and the key consideration to design their production environment strategy in the alignment with their operational goals and the technical needs. Crucial decision involved choosing between the shared or a dedicated production environment on their agents. So the first thing we have to choose wisely between a shared or a dedicated production environment. A shared production environment is where the multiple agents coexist within the same production environment, while the dedicated production environment hosts a single agent. Generally, customers are advised to set up a separate production environment for each agent deployment. What are the key consideration for the production environment? So when we design an effective production environment strategy for the Copilot Studio, that involved careful consideration of the operational needs, performance requirement, security concerns, and by weighing the pros and the cons shared versus dedicated environment and few monitoring key indicators like you can make the informed decisions that support the success and reliability of your agent applications. So basically what you can highlight like the business criticality and impact, this is the first and important part, and then after that you can talk around the data security and the compliance requirement which help you to make a decision there. In another important aspect here is the governance and user access control, then the whole solution architecture, like the dependency of the agent on the cross platform solution significantly affects the whole production environment strategy. Not only this, then you have an application lifecycle management also, where you need to consider organizations existing DevOps process is crucial here. So what kind of the ALM cycle management you are going to use it. Apart from that, resources allocation and the storage capacity is also important. And then definitely, because you build something, you need to do or go for the reporting and the continuous monitoring for that one. Not only this, the another important aspect is the service protection limit. So this is basically critically your organization must consider that the service protection API limit of each service utilized by the agent, like an example, dataverse calls, example, the Power Automate thresholds, custom connectors, AI builders, shared connections. So you have to take care of each and every aspect there, considering whether these limits are assessed as per user or as per the environment labels. That is all for today. Stay tuned for us for the next tips around. Thank you so much. Have a great day.